As their population grows, so do the number of problems they've brought to the area. We're talking about coyotes. News 3's Keely shares why lack of funding is making this a hard issue to track.
I'm at a park on Madison's west side, home to scenic beauty and 3 coyote traps, a feature east side parks don't have.
So we're just going to cut through here.
A passion
It's pretty fascinating to watch them.
that's grown into a career for UW professor and leader of the Urban Canid Project, David Drake.
What we're doing, and it's been really kind of very rewarding.
The project, created 3 years ago to understand our four-legged neighbor,
How animals use the same landscape that we're living in.
tracks and traps coyotes on the west side of Madison.
And then after the shoulders hit this cable, then this will pull off of the support wire, and then this will just tighten up on the animal.
Helping Drake and his colleagues monitor the creatures closely.
Legally, the trap has to be anchored, so when the animal's trapped, it can't move from the trap site.
Research that was set to expand to Eastsiders after several coyote attacks last fall left 4 dogs dead.
So one of the things we had offered to the east side possibly is that we would come over there and trap and ear tag coyotes,
allowing them to identify overly aggressive animals and then euthanize them through the DNR. But those plans fell through.
We were, constantly struggling to try to fund our project.
Drake gets money through grants and donations, but is calling on the city and county to help.
As people put pressure on their political representatives, maybe there's some money that could be appropriated through some kind of a public budget.
A budget that could keep the peace between the people and the coyotes of Madison.
They are definitely not going anywhere.
And if you'd like to learn even more about these interesting creatures or donate to the cause, you can head over to channel3000.com. In Madison, Keely Arthur, WISC News 3.
Madison and Dane County Public Health spokesperson told News 3 they're spending their money on education or educating the public about coyotes rather than traps and tagging.
Interesting.